Today I decided to review the top 5 best bakeware serve sets in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1. Libbey. Revolutionary glass construction makes these versatile, sizable serving dishes safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. Clear glass lets you monitor baking, serve your creation in style, and see inside while stored. Includes 2 9-inch by 13-inch glass bake dishes, 2 8-inch by 8-inch glass bake dishes, and 2 2-quart glass casseroles with glass covers. Lead-free. Securely packaged in shipping box, always wash prior to use as orders fulfilled by Libbey are shipped directly from manufacturer's warehouse. Extremely durable and dishwasher safe for quick, easy cleanup to help preserve your products. OXO. Heavy gauge aluminized steel promotes even heat distribution. Swiss engineered, ceramic reinforced 2-layer coating allows for easy food release while protecting against scratching, staining and corrosion. Micro-textured, non-stick pattern minimizes surface contact and increases airflow for an even bake. Square rolled edges add strength and offer a secure grip for easy transfer to and from oven. Dishwasher safe, made in the USA. Number 3. Libbey. Revolutionary glass construction makes these versatile casseroles safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. Clear sides let you monitor baking, serve your creation in style, and see what's inside while stored. Quickly find the perfect casserole. Easy to read dimensions are embossed on the handles of 3 of our most popular sizes. Includes 1 1-quart round glass casserole with glass cover, 1 2-quart round glass casserole with glass cover, and 1 3.2-quart round glass casserole with glass cover. Lead-free, securely packaged in shipping box, stackable, extremely durable, and dishwasher safe for quick, easy cleanup to help preserve your products. Number 4. Corning Ware. 10% set includes 1 each, 2.5 quarts and 1.5 quarts round with glass and plastic covers, 16-ounce round with plastic cover and 2 4-ounce ramekins. Stoneware is safe to use in microwave, oven, refrigerator, freezer and dishwasher. Resists chipping and cracking. Non-porous surface does not absorb food odors, flavors or stains. 1-year limited warranty. Number 5. Pyrex. Deeper Hold Everything Baking Dish Collection includes 1 13 by 9-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, 1 8 by 8-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid, and 1 7 by 11-inch glass baking dish with plastic lid. At up to 50% deeper than the Pyrex Basics dishes you know and love, there's more room to get creative and try even more yummy recipes. Deeper size stops spillover and keeps your oven clean. Perfect for parties and large quantity servings. Microwave, dishwasher, preheated oven, and freezer safe. Lids are BPA free. Non-porous glass won't absorb food odors, flavors, or stains. Secure lids are designed to keep your food fresher longer. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these bakeware, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below. And if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.